Good morning. It's an early morning here in Boston, and unfortunately we're leaving today. It went by so fast, and I know there's so much more to see, but we have to hit another baseball game in a couple of days, so we're heading to our third state of this trip, to Maryland, and we're going to Baltimore.
All right, we made it to the Amtrak station. We took a Lyft ride this time because we didn't feel like walking our luggage through the city in the heat advisory this morning. So we're literally right on time, probably gonna board almost immediately.
Okay, we made it onto the train, and it was like 7 minutes until, what's it called? Takeoff.
Launch.
7 minutes until launch, but we made it.
This time we had many more seats available to us because we were at the beginning of the line. So we kind of thought about that. With the last trip, since we got on in the middle and the train was coming from DC, it's probably best to like buy your more expensive like business class ticket then. But if you're at one end of the start point or the other, you can just get coach because you're gonna have first pick at seats.
Yeah, so we were able to sit together, and we think we got the right side of the train to see out the window to see the coast. Fingers crossed.
Oh, we're already moving.
Right on time.
We just made it back to New York. We were actually about 25 minutes behind schedule. The first delay actually came from a mechanical issue that we had on one of the train carts. And then the second delay came when we had to let 2 trains pass before we could go forward. And now we have a crew exchange, and I think we will be on our way pretty soon here.
Rainy weather and dark skies is not making it any easier for us to work, so I'm gonna take a nap too. Eight hours later, and we made it. Let's go home.
That was a very, very long train ride. Comfortable, but long. That's an old train station.
All right, we're gonna start with a little room tour. We love staying at our Hilton hotels, and although this one really isn't anything special, clean bathroom, nice light, full-length mirror, king-size bed, full-size TV, a work area for me, and a work area for Nate. But the best part of this place is our view. We are staying steps away from Camden Yards where the Orioles play. And we're going to the game tomorrow.
I really want to go tonight, and I almost talked Alicia into it, but 3 baseball games in 6 days is probably enough. So we're going to get some rest tonight so we are ready tomorrow. If you like this video, please hit the like button many times over. And if you want to stamp your passport with us again,
make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, which we really hope you are. But we'll see you guys tomorrow.
And then because we were delayed from a mechanical issue, we just made it to the New York Transit City here. Oh, gosh.